looking at the Tampa June RV show. We're looking at the lives. Looking at the Tampa June RV show. We're looking at the lives. This is a 17V8. Well, it's 20 foot instead of like the 13. A wardrobe closet, so you can actually hang clothes. Plenty of room to hang clothes, and even store extra on the bottom. Bed, extra storage. Nice bed, which actually looks like it could pull out. Then you have extra beds back here as a bunkhouse, which
I'm guessing that's a table that sets somehow.
Yeah, looks like an extra table. Much bigger shower back here.
And bathroom, they got a mirror in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Bigger TV.
No, it's Dometic burner. I really wish when they do these, no matter what company it is, you're wasting space. Don't do it side by side. Do it front to back.
This is
Just a fold-up table.
Fold-up table. Still work for work.
Do it front to rear. That way you have extra counter space. And then of course the floor heat.
One of us could work in the
little slide.
One of us could work in the van, one could work in the other. The voice.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
I don't know how much that would be. I do kind of like this.
I like that. That one was over there. Well, yeah, it's a little bit smaller,
I'm just afraid about the bed size, you know.
I think it's the same size. I think 60 by 80. So we could probably see on the other side what it has, but it's a 60 by 80.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
That is very popular.
What? Oh, the griddle? I want one of those just for the house. So I can make coleslaw crack. And hibachi. My own house. Yeah. Sounds like it. Oh no, that's the fan. AC over there. Alright, so where do you want to head? I don't know. I'd rather build it out. Trailer mod plug. Modern buggy 2025. Dry weight 2650. See, what is the show price? What? Looks like a very, I guess kind of a double bed. So on this side, I guess this would be like a little dinette. I'm sure this table pops up, little dinette, and then obviously it pops down. So you could sleep two. I like this little thing, look.
Yeah.
Little shelf with a...
That's why I say I didn't care if we just do that on the top with our clothes, because...
Okay. That'll work.
I'm just to the point that it's just become...
And then a little... Oh, okay.
What's the toe on
Just
this?
a tiny little... The dry weight I think was like 2,000 something.
That's... I don't know how big the bed is. 60 by 67. So at least it's...
Little
bigger
mini
than
fridge.
60.
Little heat. Little gas burner with some more space.
But just a refrigerator, or does it have a freezer?
Looks like a little freezer, tiny freezer up top. Little TV up here. And a bed. a little bit more open storage with that. And then hanging. I think for the, and it's one of the ACs that were in the other ones too, so and we know that this would be very cold because that was what was, yeah, that's what was in the other little tiny trailers that we were looking at earlier today. I think 29's pretty expensive, but here's Keystone RV 2024 170BH. Sale price $18,995. So it's red. Closing. Plenty of, looks like a lot of storage. Nice little dinettes. A lot of looks like a lot of storage in this one actually. TV that comes out. Table that actually drops down. You can see that would fit, drop down into another bed itself. And then of course a bunkhouse. This probably sleeps at least 6. Then bed. See. Big freezer and fridge though. Burners. I still do not like this. I do not understand. Simple. You want to make a lot more cabinet space. Instead of east-west, turn it north-south. Do it this way. Plenty of space to talk. A lot more cabinet space. But nice huge sink. Shades. Plastic. These are very cheaply made. These are crap. These are going to break easily. Okay, that's just a quick walkabout. Alright, we're doing the R-Pod 2025 Forest River R-Pod 197. Sale price $27,995. Top features: acrylic front window, towing guide, large water tanks. Let's see if it has any more information. Does not. Does have solar. Has a separate screen. Alright, let's see what we got. So it has like a regular little living room setup. Yeah. Oh, I think I've seen like these. Alright, so storage underneath. Storage here, but I think you could sit here during the day, and then what happens is you
have to make a bed because
right, you fold this down, and then you unhook this, and then the bed, this lays on top of that, and the bed folds down on top of that.
Why is there so much room? Yeah, the bed's missing.
Yeah, because it's like a half Murphy bed.
Yeah.
So you fold it down on top of that. But that's nice because that's good workspace.
They always have them nice doors.
Make it look all pretty.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a nice cabinet space. Then it has a little extra netting just to kind of keep all your stuff there in the spot.
Hi, welcome. Any questions?
Sink's a little tiny. See. Oh, this is close. Close. So I'm very close. I'm 5'5" and very close to the top. Solar is on board. Nice big sink though. Cover. Transcend 1, 2025 Grand Design, Transcend 151BH, $16,995. We'll just take a quick look. Lots of storage up top. Nice bed with storage underneath. Oh, it's nice when you're watching TV, put your little drinks there. Bunk for your kids with a couple extra drawers. Shower. If you're gonna take the time to put a toilet here with that, you might as well put a little sink here. Fridge. Micro. Yeah, the one thing I can say about them, yeah, it's a gas. Tiny sink here. At least they did a gas this way, so it gives you more counter space instead of going this way. So it's kind of mixed. Tiny sink, disappointing. This is a plus going this way together. This is a plus. No sink there. Another negative. So overall mixed.
I like the idea though for the window.
Yeah. 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 This is the only thing that April wanted to look at. Was the leisure vans. Of course, made in Canada. We were afraid that we would not even get to see one. We can't afford one, but the leisure travel vans.
Why is it flipped? That's what I look like.
They're very comfortable. It's on a Ford chassis. Roadside.
Okay, drive it.
Drive off. Yeah, I think there'd be a problem with that. Oh, I like this.
And then they've got the doors are supposed to be.
Well, I'm up here first. I'm looking at the little kitchen.
How many questions I can get an associate?
Yeah, do you have lottery tickets?
You almost need one to get one of these things.
Yeah.
I know.
These
I've loved it since I've seen it. I've seen it on the.
18-month to 3-year wait. So
But they do have nice fans.
yeah, I'm looking forward to get one of these in a couple years because I have a 1-year-old and 2-year-old, and like soccer tournaments, the kids can hang up here, spin the seats around, and mom and I can lounge in the back. You know, that pull-out pantry and.
Just the wall, the whole side windows.
The lights and everything.
It's incredible.
Yeah, this is the unit I'm buying.
Well, we've seen them. I mean, you know, the videos from Canada directly from the, you know, the company themselves, and we're just like so impressed with the van.
We had a good service department, which is one of the reasons I worked for Zennies. I worked for another group that didn't before, and it's
wow.
not fun.
Oh, beautiful.
And you know when I started.
Yeah. Well, I don't think anybody knows long.
This is the cellar right there. Look at that view.
I was an
You just hang out here all day, kick back, just hang out, and then when you're ready for bed, these you just actually move the cushions. I don't want to do it now because the salesman, but remove the cushions, push a button, and this is the mattress that just folds down right over this.
Yeah. Well,
Boom.
I'm a therapist.
You have a bed.
And all of my clientele is based out of
So,
I have a license here too, but I don't get near the clientele in Florida. that I
so
get. They're like, do you work after
what's
5?
over here?
It's like,
Oh,
no, that's after
I didn't even
8,
notice
9,
that.
I'm old.
wow. Hooks right here.
So if you want me to get your information on one of the guys, and you can look out
So.
for when free on our rail comes.
Hold and press down. And,
Or is there a price point you want to do with that?
ah, it even opens up.
Truth, I'm really only interested in this. I know this one's too much, so.
How much is too much?
Probably more than my house is worth. I know that. No,
Well,
they
no,
start
you
at
can
like
do the same.
what, $199 for this?
Yeah, I'll have to look at what this one's put that.
Oh, here's a shade.
Keep on.
Okay.